You want to know how to increase your sales leads? I've got 6 steps to doing that and much, much more. So join me for this episode of The Inside BS Show. Hi, I'm Dave Lorenzo, and today we're talking about increasing your sales leads. I'm going to give you 6 steps to do that, and I'm going to share with you a killer secret, a big-time secret, right at the end of our video, so stay with me all the way through. All right, let's dive right into the content. There are 6 steps to increase your sales leads. Let me take you through them. Step number 1, identify your ideal clients. If you want to attract really great sales leads, you got to look at your best clients first. You should focus on attracting clients who are just like your best clients. I work with so many people in professional services and home services who say, my ideal client is anyone who does this. My ideal client is anyone who's a lawyer. My ideal client is anyone who's a CPA. My ideal client is anyone who's a plumber or anyone who's an electrician. That's just not the case. Your best clients have some very specific qualities in common. So you need to take an inventory of the best qualities of your clients, your ideal clients, and then look where you can find them. Ask your clients, hey, what trade associations do you belong to? What meetings or conventions do you attend? How do you stay sharp? How do you keep up with what's going on in your industry? They'll tell you, and then you can target those associations for speaking engagements or to write articles for, or with direct mail or email or advertising or any number of strategies. But step 1 is identify your ideal client. Step 2, target those clients through groups or associations. If your ideal client is a plumber and they belong to the International Society of Plumbing Professionals and they happen to be a member of the local chapter, let's say you live in Mississippi and there's a Mississippi chapter of plumbing professionals, you should target the Mississippi chapter of plumbing professionals to give speeches to host educational events for, to write articles that they can publish on their website. You should see if you can buy or otherwise obtain a list of members of that association and use it for direct mail, for email, for phone solicitation. When you target your ideal clients through groups or associations, you're reducing the audience that you have to market to, and you're honing your focus. You can focus like a laser beam on the specific issues they have and help them resolve those issues. So step 1, identify your ideal client. Step 2, target that client through trade associations. Step number 3 is to offer an educational product for free to people in those associations. So if you get a list of the Plumbers Association and all of its members in Mississippi, and that's who you're targeting, you can follow that list and use it in a direct mail campaign. You can send out a 3-letter sequence to everyone on that list, offering them a guide to 5 things they didn't know about managing plumbing services as a business. People who call you and respond to that offer and get that guide from you, they're immediately going to be people who could be clients for you. So everyone on that list is what we call a suspect, and they're called suspects because you suspect they could be just like your ideal client. The minute they reach out to you and they say, I want your free report, or I want to attend the seminar that you're hosting that's free, or I want to talk to you because I got your letter, the minute they show interest, they go from being a suspect to being a prospect. And prospects are people who could become clients because they're only one step away. So step 3, offer an educational product. Step number 4, follow up with a phone call. Anyone who gets your educational product should be called on the phone. And when you call them on the phone, you're qualifying them. You're looking for 4 things. You're looking for the problems that they have. If you can solve them, they could be a client. You're looking for their ability to make a decision. You want to make sure you're talking to the business owner or the person who is the manager and has budgetary authority. The third thing is you want to make sure they have the money to be able to pay you. The fourth thing, they have to have urgency. They have to want to solve their problem right now. That's what you're calling on the phone looking for. Now, if they don't have the urgency and they're not ready to do business with you right now, that's fine. You can follow up with an invitation to an event. This could be a free event, or it could be an event that you put on for a very low price. It's an educational event. You're teaching them the things that you do that can help them. So you're helping them solve problems in their business. You're teaching them the different things you can do. And after that event, you'll have built up enough credibility and they'll be more likely to do business with you. The final step, step number 6, is send an educational email each week. If you send them an email every week, you stay in touch with them. They remember you from the event. They remember you from the phone call. They remember you from your offer of an educational product. They remember you from targeting them in the trade associations. Now, I promised you a killer secret in step number 7, and that killer secret is, well, I'm going to not only tell you, I'm also going to show you. Scroll down in the description of this video. You will see a free gift from Dave there. It says free gift from Dave right below it. There's a website. That website is revenueroadmapguide.com. This is killer secret number 7. Download that Revenue Roadmap Guide, revenueroadmapguide.com. That is this entire sales lead system. That's right. I've got an entire sales lead system for you in the Revenue Roadmap Guide. When you set this up as a system, and that 27-page guide, which is absolutely free, will show you how to do it. When you set this up as a system, it's foolproof. You cannot possibly make a mistake. There are questions in there you'll answer, and you'll develop your own lead generation system. You're going to increase your sales leads by downloading this system. So if you want to increase your sales leads right now, go to revenueroadmapguide.com. Use that guide to create a system to grow your business. That's how you're going to increase your sales leads. And also, we've got more videos in this series. Be sure and watch the video. There's a video right down below me right now. Be sure and watch that video next. That's the next video I want to see you in, because we're going to help you increase your sales leads today. Join me for the next video.